Fossil eggs, also known as fossils, are formed when the remains of eggs laid by ancient animals are preserved in rock. This process, called ectophanemy, begins when an egg dies or hatches and subsequently buried in sediment over time. Dinosaur egg fossils are important for understanding dinosaur reproduction, behavior, and evolution. While dinosaur bones are more common finds, eggshells are relatively frequent, and whole egg with embryos are rare but provide valuable insights. These fossils have been found on multiple continents, with Asia and North America being particularly rich in discoveries. A freshly laid egg or one containing a developing embryo must be buried in a sediment. Groundwater containing dissolved minerals seeps into the egg through pores and cracks in the shell. These minerals gradually replace the organic material of the eggshells and any embryo inside, turning it into rock. The yellow of the false yolk comes from minerals like limonite, siderite, and sulfur. Dinosaur eggs varied greatly in size, from tiny like those of modern birds to massive like a soccer ball. The largest dinosaur eggs were about 60 centimeters, 2 feet long, while some were as small as 5 centimeters, 2 inches. The size of an egg were related to the size of the dinosaur, but there was a limit to how big an egg could be before the shell would become too thick to allow oxygen to reach the developing embryo. Dinosaurs' egg weight varied greatly depending on the species. The smallest known dinosaur egg from a Japanese species weighed only about 10 grams, while some of the largest could weigh up to 7 kgs. Dinosaur eggs exhibit a variety of shapes, including spherical, ellipsoidal, and elongated forms. Some elongated eggs are symmetrical, while others are asymmetrical, resembling bird eggs with one rounded and one pointed end. Theropod eggs from meat eating dinosaurs tend to oblong, while sauropod eggs from plant eaters are more spherical. Dinosaur eggshells also varied in surface texture. Some were smooth, while others had ridges, knots, or pores. The shape of a dinosaur egg was likely influenced by factors like mother's anatomy, particularly the oviduct, and the environment the eggs were laid in.